Oh, here we are. Good morning, guys. Back again. Let's see. So today, I'm thinking I should finish this one, or try to finish it. And I also have a drawing that I was working on, but I'm not sure. I think I should finish. Maybe I should finish the model, because I have a bad habit of starting things and not finishing. So let's. Oh, hey Dee Dee, thanks. Hello Rune. Hello Eddies. So yeah, let's see. This thing, let's put it away. I think I can make that crispy. Oops. I'm trying to make this crispy. Why won't you be crispy? Please be crispy. There you are. Doesn't show the crispiness in edit mode. Oh, what's that? What is that? What is that? What is that? No. Oh no, 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 no. And what is that? What is this? Hi, Omer, and bye. What is? Some rogue verts. Rogue verts on the loose. I wonder if we can make, let's try to make a cutter that does that. So first it would need to be like this. Little trapezoid type thing. And then after it would need the, oops, that's too much. Maybe 12 sides. Maybe, yeah. Then it would need the cylinder here. I wish I had a better reference on that. Maybe 6-sided for the tiny one. So we don't waste geometry there. Want it to be nice and low poly. Then that's a hole there. And then what? Little cube. Pretty much guessing for all that. Hello, Aruko. Good morning. Okay, so this thing needs to come after this other thing, so let me hit P to separate that onto a different object, and then I'll parent these two with Control P, and then we should be able to move this around. And actually I want this to R1E Okay, so now this piece is going to be the cutter. Let me save this business here and put it over here. Oops. Okay, so if we want one of these right here, okay, and we can try to cut this into that. Control B, subtract, and then start to edit all these. And we could maybe change the angle, you know. Actually, I think that this would be better to duplicate, probably. So let me just duplicate that off to the side just in case we need it later. And then these come at an angle like that, right? Ooh, but this doesn't work here. What if we had... No, that wouldn't work. Oh, I know. All we have to do is move it like that in faces mode. And that works. Yes. And I realize I might sound like a crazy person because I'm just talking to myself here about things. Let's see. Hi, Jonathan, or sorry, Jordan. This is, yes, this is the look dev mode in 2.8. But we can switch to Eevee and it's even better. And we'll do. I just like, it's a little bit tough to see what you're doing with the full render in Eevee, but it looks cool. So we've got the volumetric effects going here, and for that like foggy look, and we have contact shadows, which are nice, and then we have screen space reflection. We got all the goodies, all the Eevee goodies. And we could keep modeling this way. Let me see if we here, if I go Alt D and just move this over a little bit. Oops. And then subtract from here to the body. Live subtract. I'm still not sure if this is good or not, these little side antenna things, but let's see. Maybe they should not be right underneath the handles there. And it's also a tiny bit slower in Eevee, but not too bad. It's pretty amazing that we can model like this and have all the goodies turned on at the same time. And I also like the solid mode too. Solid mode looks really nice. I like that we can change the outline here and gives it sort of a cartoony look. And what else do we have here? I don't know about that. Shadows, cool. Change the shadow direction. It's really nice. This is the softness of the shadow. I love this really flat look that you can get with this stuff here. Yeah, I think that's great. Let's see, what else do we need? More doodads, probably. Inside of here. Sometimes you can just steal doodads from somewhere else. Wait, where did it go? Oh, thanks, Olav. I want to wrap this thing up. It's been going for too long. Let's see. Wait, what am I doing again? Properties. So these are linked. These two are linked. If I try to edit one, the other one will be changed. So I want to unlink them. I think the way to do that is you just hit the little number here. And then now these should be unlinked. I could do whatever I want here. Mr. Cube is holding down the fort inside here. Wait a minute, is this the grease pencil drawing right here? What is... Oh, this is the wireframe, okay. Hello, Bullseye. Bullseye 30. Oops. I guess that's... I like the shadows that happen in here. These are really interesting shadows. So what else? I think I need some more juice. Some more reference animation. Just... yeah, some of this kind of juice right here would be good. Bullseye, sorry. My brain sucks. Let's see. Whoa. So what's the best way to do these little doodads here? I don't... Should I just smash a bunch of cylinders together? Maybe. Well, what would be the other way to do it? We could do it... just... hey, Move Tech. Good morning. boo, 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 boo. What are we looking for? My brain. Sorry, I can't think while modeling. I can't think while talking. That's what I'm. Okay, so if we get this thing, let's see if skin works. Does skin work? There's the skin size. We can go Alt-A to change the skin size. Oh man, we can't see it in edit mode yet. Okay. Well, there's the skin size right here. I don't know if I like that either. What about wireframe? Good old wireframe. But I don't like that wireframe. It requires a face to be there. Like, we would have to fill this. Damn it. Sorry guys, I'm exploding. My face is exploding right now. Hold on. What is going? Oh, that's why. Sorry. I had proportional edit on. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay. I wish it would just work based off of this stuff right here. Hey, Asim, is there a way to render out material IDs? Yes, I think Pablo was showing it on his Blender stream yesterday, and they showed that you can do it by object, and you can also do it by material, which is great. Finally, and I forgot what it was called. Do you guys was anybody here watching Pablo's stream yesterday? And when he was demoing that new feature that allows you to render masks, crypto masks or Krytomats. Interesting names, but yeah, it looks good. Oh my god, why can't I think today? What was I doing? Damn. I thought I had a little method for this, but I guess I don't. Oh wait, bevel, that's what I want. I want to bevel by angle. The width should be by percent. Give it like 50% or 49%. No? Do not clamp. So why are the corners? You know what? I think I'm overcomplicating this. Abort. Abort mission. I just need cylinders. That's all I need. Should have just used my first instinct here. Yeah, we live next to a sort of busy road here, but oh well. It's good background noise, I guess. Greasy fingers. Ooh. Alright. Hello, Uxer. So this stuff is pretty straightforward. I hope it's not too boring for you guys. But I'm just using regular extrudes and to get this stuff to all do that. We could also make a little pipe here and rotate it like this, and then Control Shift B will give us a little corner like that. Still waiting for Blender updates from the conference. Downloaded alpha and it doesn't crash. Grease pencil looks interesting. Yeah, man, it's a lot of good stuff. We've been playing with Grease pencil a lot this week on the stream. There's definitely some things I wish it had, like one of the things. This is time to rant just a tiny bit, just a little tiny bit. But when we're drawing with the grease pencil, all I want is the ability, because we have this nice ability here, if I hold Control and draw, that gives you an eraser, but I don't know how to control the type of eraser because I actually want to use this eraser hard instead. And I like this clean hard eraser for this kind of drawing, but even though I pick it and go back to drawing, it still uses the soft eraser for some reason. So it would be nice if this control eraser, if it used your last selected eraser type, that would be nice. Or if you could somewhere set what type of eraser this control is. I mean, I guess we could go into hotkeys and do it. Let's see. Or maybe, I mean, I don't know if it's in here. Grease pencil. Draw. So Control left mouse gives us the eraser, but there's no options. How do we tell it what type of eraser to use? I don't know. If anybody knows how to control the eraser, please. Maybe they just don't have it yet. Anyway, let me revert that. And whenever you see facets like this, you can go Z and then shade smooth to fix that. Six-sided. Six-sided is perfect for any of these bolts and bits and bobs and stuff. So. Skibnty. Damn, you guys have tricky names to pronounce. I'm new to Blender. Is that mouse control shortcut wheel a feature of Blender? That's a plugin, or yeah, that's a part of a little setup, custom setup that I'm using. It's called Heavy Poly 2.8. So if you want to learn more about that, you can just search it on YouTube. And this is like kind of my custom setup that I use for all sorts of modeling stuff. But yeah, pie menus are really great. I think pie menus are underrated and underused. And I used to hate pie menus because I didn't understand how they worked. So pie menus are actually really, really fast once you get it. Because before I used to think like, oh, you have a pie menu here. You have to go over here and click the thing over here. And that's really slow, and which it is really slow to have to go over and click the thing, whatever it is. But the way pie menus actually work, or the way that you're supposed to use them, is you flick instead. So you go control space, flick a little tiny bit, and then you see how it highlights, and then you let go. So you only need to move just to the tip of that little circle here, and then you let go. So I'm holding down, moving, letting go, and then you're basically just flicking. It takes no time at all to use the pie menu, and you can get really, really fast with it. So as soon as I learned that, I was like, oh shit, pie menus are really fast. I'm an idiot. I need to start using them, and it was awesome. And the other cool thing about pie menus is it's really good for people that are learning the program, because you know, you only remember one hotkey, like Shift A, and you get all these different options there, or Control Space, and you get all these different options. And the pie menus can also be context sensitive. So for example, if we're using a regular mesh, you might present a set of options. But then if, let's say we have the same mesh over here, let me move it over somewhere where, so let's say we wanted to sculpt this thing, so I'll go sculpt mode, and now, actually that's a bad example too. What would be a good example? Grease pencil. So if I made a grease pencil object here, sorry, 1 second. I really need to fix this. Select, god damn it, select. Okay, so now that same pie menu gives me different options like grease pencil related options. GP edit, GP draw, GP sculpt, and some others. So it's cool because you can have the same hotkey, same pie, but it presents you with different options depending on what you've got going on. So it's really like you get so much bang for your buck, you know, in terms of remembering. Your brain remembers one hotkey, and you get tons of different functions out of it. Anyway, these freaking dogs, yeah. That's my spiel on pie menus. Does anybody here hate pie menus? thinks that pie menus are the devil. I'm just curious, because I used to think pie menus were the devil. Or I used to think pie menus are for noobs because they're so slow. They're not hardcore enough. That's what I thought. I wonder what those dogs are saying to each other. I wonder if they're friends or if they hate each other. Yeah. Yeah, Blender has built-in ones too. It's just I think the built-in ones could be a little bit better. So I made my own. Yeah, they're probably talking about pie menus. Oh god. So to connect these two, let's see. Looks like there's some sort of fitting here. I'll add in a little bolt. Oops. And then one more time over here. And then it goes back to cylinder over here. I should really make a insert or a preset or something for this, because it happens a lot. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Wish I can at least create custom pies without scripting. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be... I mean, there is this thing called Pie Menu Editor. That's itself is a add-on that you can use to build pie menus, and it's actually really, really powerful, but I think you have to pay for it. But yeah, that should be just a standard part of the Blender program, you know? Like, that would be great if we could make pie menus. The input editor in Blender is also extremely difficult to use. It's probably the worst input editor I've come across in any program. But I've gotten used to it now, but man, it's pretty awkward. Oh man. Oh. Excuse me. Okay, let's see, what else do we have here? There's some pipage going this way. Pipage going that way. Let's bring it over here. Go like that. I mean, we could make our pipage like we could bring in some curves here. Whoa. let's make this flat and flat. Yes. There's a slight curve up and then whoop. Oops. I'm doing it like this because I feel like it would be useful to be able to adjust these pipes if we, if we're moving this into position somewhere and we need to adjust these, then we have that ability using the curves. So I think this will be good. This will be useful. And then we can go to whoa. Oops. That's not what I wanted. Full. Let's put some depth on you. Need some more of this. Never have enough bolts. And then what does this one do? It's just a pump that... a little linear actuator. Oh. 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 What? 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 Who invited you? Oh, hey Lip. How's it going? Did that grease pencil thing work yesterday? Yeah, Victor, pretty much. I wanted to make custom macros and things in Blender, and there's no way to do that without Python, so I was kind of forced to learn it. Yeah. Hey, Lip, that's not, I mean, it's not your fault. I feel like that's such a silly thing, though, because you should be able to change things like that in draw mode. I feel like if you're... Yeah, I think they hate me already because I think I posted to Twitter talking to the grease pencil guy asking for certain things and suggestions, and he never replied. So I have a feeling that he's not... I don't know. Maybe he just didn't see it. But yeah, just I feel like we should be able to grab, like, at least to be able to select certain, like a box select or lasso select or some kind of select in draw mode, because having to switch over to edit mode, select, move, and then go back to draw mode, that's too much. It should all be, that functionality should all be in the same space, I feel like. And also the ability, because then with this we can switch to different layers and switch to different materials and stuff. But anyway, that's just a little suggestion. I hope that happens. What do you think about doing art just by scripting? That's pretty cool. Like procedural art. It's interesting. Like the Mandelbrot's what is Nodebox? Bullseye. You guys trying to derail me from my modeling process. Get it? Derail. Get it? Let me go back here. What am I doing here? Need a box here. I wonder what these mini wheels are for. Maybe this whole thing drops down and it looks like it moves. And then it just vacuums the floor. What the heck? Why is this all X-ray like that? Why is this X-ray? No X-ray. What? What is going on? What the hell? Nobody ordered X-ray here. Wait, what? 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 What is that? Let's mirror this. Oops. Oops. There we go. And join it back in. I think in overlay you set the wire to max or something. What do you mean? Oh, overlay. Oh, right here. Yeah. Whatever. Oh wait, there's an option to turn off sensors now? Ooh. I didn't even notice that. Very nice. No more face sensors. I actually like that. Oh, but then they turn back on when you're in see-through mode? Why does that happen? I turned off center, guys. Okay. Get a drink here. Look at that. Nothing but blue. Nothing but blue. Oh, because I don't have back face. I have back face. Nothing but blue. Oh. Oh. Never mind. What is that? This must be rectified. Yes. Oh. We can't have any red happening here. Why is this all glitchy? Why are you all glitchy? Why are you all glitchy? Can you be less glitchy? Oh, there we go. Wait, is there two? What? Oh, that looks better. I think I fixed it somewhere in there. I feel like some of these settings could all be together. Or actually, I feel like all of this stuff should be together. I feel like it's a bit weird to have to jump between these two. What was I looking for? This. What was I doing again? Excuse me. Excuse me. What should this material be? Oops. Alright, let's leave this off to the side maybe with all the other goodies. I should really make a file with all of this crap together so I don't have to what did I just had coffee. That's it. I don't know what's wrong with me. Been really gassy lately. Hello, Neodose. Thanks for watching, or thanks for hanging out. By the way, guys, do you have any, let's see. What would be interesting to model next, I wonder. I'm usually doing these weird sci-fi spaceship things, but we'll see. I gotta keep looking for interesting projects to do. Biomech. Hehe. The Space Donkey. Return of the Space Donkey. Oops. Got spacesuit. Bio Donkey. Animation. Oh, Crabbot would be fun. I feel like that would come together quickly. Oh man, that's a total lip thing to do. Yeah, that would be cool. Anime style rocks cracking hand modeled. What? Hi Luca, thank you. Mechanical and organic. Well, I don't know if you guys were around for the Space Donkey stream, but we had this guy here, and he was getting birthed. But yeah, it could be cool to mix him with some armor plates or something. Like he's actually based on an older design from way... when was that? Let's see. Yukon. This thing here. I think this was 2000... Oh, yeah, I forgot about that guy. Taffy bot. This one, Yukon. Maybe I could try to do this, something like this, but in Blender. When I originally did this, it was all ZBrush for the everything, and then I brought it to Modo and rebuilt it. Just the head. Because the ZBrush head was kind of, you know how ZBrush is. It's not, the mechanical stuff looks a little wonky. But, and then this was like paint overs of the head. How to make it graphically different. And then here's the Modo version. But yeah, I wasn't really, I don't know, I didn't like the Modo version that much either. The original one had some charm to it also. And then this thing, these guys, this is from 2012. It's getting distinguished and aged. Yeah, I should get back to these guys. These were a lot of fun. And I think this was all ZBrush at that time. And this guy, oh, he would be fun to do. But this kind of stuff is really difficult, I feel like, for modeling. I never get the same feeling as a drawing. You know, the drawings always look better somehow. And Taffy bot. Oh, this guy was fun too. Man, I feel kind of sad that the designs that I was doing in 2012, I feel like are more fun than the ones that I have now. I need to get back to this stuff. Oh, God. I need to keep working. do more stuff. I'm just trying to draw a little shape here and see if this will work out. Oops, nope. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There's a little dog collar here. I'm getting off task here. I need to get back to my little spaceship. So this whole doohickey here is not working yet, but I'll fix it eventually. Back to area. Should model a cube. Oh man, I need to prepare for that shit. It's too advanced. Do monsters. Oops, what's going on here? Did I lock up? I think we locked up here. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah. Where would Space Donkey live? Maybe he's like in here. You know, the reason why I'm not finishing this spaceship is because I feel like it's not, the design is weird. I don't know about this piece here, I think. I don't know. Crap. See, I got stuck and then I just got stuck. I don't know what to do with this thing. This area up here is so awkward. Maybe that just needs to be another hole. Hmm. Oops. Doesn't like that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this out later. But sorry for dragging you through this with me. This indecisiveness. You need to just man up and pick a shape. But it's okay. That's why it's good to have personal projects, because then you can waste as much time as you want. And you don't have to listen to any feedback from anybody. Boop boop doop boop doop doop boop boop. When you change how it cuts on the back and how it blends in front. Alright. It says, do you have a library of assets? I don't have a library of assets, which is really dumb because I've done so many of these and made so many little greebles and things, and I keep redoing them every single time because I'm an idiot. But I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna try to make a little library, I think. Yeah. And then sounds good. Well, okay guys, thank you again for watching and joining in. It's been fun. I hope you're playing with 2.8 also. Let me get rid of this thing. Boop. Should I save this? I'm gonna make a new version here. Okay. Alright guys. Oh yeah, remember to like, dislike, and ring my dislike bell, and oh god, do all those things, and so I can be a YouTube star someday, like Jake Paul, and who else? PewDiePie. I can be the PewDiePie of spaceships. Anyway, have a good rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Bye.